Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. As you can tell, I just woke up. I'm literally so tired. I was up until like 3 because I was watching this 2-hour documentary and I couldn't stop and I was crying because it was really sad. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I've been asked to do this so many times and I'm finally going to be doing it. The reason why I haven't done it earlier is because some of you might know I've been trying to recover from an eating disorder for the past 2.5 years, and it's just been really hard and my relationship with food hasn't been good, and I feel like I'm finally at a point now that it's not where I want it to be yet, but it's already just a lot. Like, I already have like a healthier relationship and I'm building just like a good relationship with food. That might sound weird to some of you, but yeah, I'm at a point where I'm like ready to kind of share this with you and I feel like it'll be fun. I do have to say though, because I'm filming this today, I'm more, not pressured, but like I'm more focused on what I'm eating, and I'm probably going to eat very clean just because I'm filming. But I just want you guys to know that I don't eat clean every single day. If you guys enjoy this video, maybe I can do like a super realistic what I eat in a day, and you'll see that I definitely don't eat clean every single day. Like, I know what I'm going to be eating today because I planned it out, because I knew I was going to film this video and I didn't want to share anything unhealthy. Not when it comes to like unhealthy food, but there's definitely days that I forget to eat lunch or forget to eat dinner because I'm busy and I don't really feel the need to put that on video because that's not really promoting anything good. So I just wanted to make sure that I planned out my food, and this is what I have to do more often, because when I do plan out my food, I do eat cleaner and I do like eat enough, if that makes sense. Either way, that's what I'm going to be filming today. I'll do it kind of in a vlog style, basically show you what I'm making, and then yeah, go from there. So it's currently, where's my phone? It's currently 10:30. I've been awake for a little bit, but not that long. Like, I was just laying in bed because I was so tired from last night. But I'm about to go make myself breakfast. You guys know, if you watch my vlogs, I eat acai bowls like every single morning, and I still do it. The reason why is just because I love the taste and it fills me up until the afternoon. Like, it gives me a lot of energy and I've just been obsessed with it. I think I've been eating it for like over a year now. I think I started, actually it might have been like almost 2, because I think I started making this after I went to LA, because back in 2018 I went to LA for the first time, and then I had an acai bowl for the first time and I just fell in love with it. And then when I got home, I figured out a recipe, and ever since then I've been eating it for breakfast like almost every single morning. So yeah, that's what I'm making today, and probably in any of these future what I eat in a day, I'll be having that for breakfast. I will try to maybe switch it up because I honestly should, but like I just love it too much. Like, why switch something up if you're still enjoying it? You feel me? So my acai bowl's made. I'm just gonna enjoy this goodness. I don't know why, I just love this so much. And a lot of people always ask me where I get my Açai packs, and I get them at this store called Eco Plaza, and I don't know if it's a Dutch store, but just try to find any like frozen Açai packs, and I just use one for one bowl. It is currently 1 p.m. and I'm not really hungry yet, but I like to always have like some type of snack between my breakfast and my lunch. And I just finished filming, so I want to do some work on my laptop, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to be having a snack. And currently I've been loving just eating oranges, so I'm gonna cut up about 4 oranges. Also, I drink water like all throughout the day. Some days I drink less water than others. I really want to aim towards 2 liters a day again, but lately I've just been able to hit 1 and like be done. But my oranges, and I basically always have like an empty bowl and I just eat it, and I don't know, it's nice to snack on. I really like it. God damn, I had a package come in. I don't know what I was saying, but I'm basically just gonna eat this while I do some work on the computer. And this is my water bottle. It's a 1 liter water bottle by Camelback. It's just easy to drink from, and I tend to just sit at my desk and drink from it, and that way I can like finish it. So I want to try to finish this by 3 before I start lunch. I want to try to finish this. I'm gonna try that. It is now 2:40 and I'm about to go make myself some lunch. I'm thinking, because my mom bought hummus, so I'm thinking of doing 1 toast with avocado and an egg, and then 1 with avocado and hummus, or maybe maybe I'll do both with avocado and hummus. And then on top of that, just do some salt, pepper, and some chili flakes. Well, as you can see, I was not able to use avocado because it wasn't ripe yet. I'm so upset about it because I really wanted it. I ended up just doing hummus on toast with a couple of chili flakes, and I just added some almonds, quite a lot, because, you know, it'll give me some protein and stuff and make it a bit more of a filling, even though this will be filling, but like it just adds a little bit more. Also, I almost finished my water bottle, but not fully, so I'll make sure to finish this with my lunch, and I'm about to go head out after this, and then for dinner I'll just like have another one filled up, and hopefully I'll finish that one, or at least half of it. So good. It is currently almost 6 p.m. It's 5:57, and I've just been sitting here editing. My mom already preheated the oven. She basically got some like vegetables like put into the oven, and we're probably gonna include salmon, and yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that. I'm getting kind of hungry, not that much. I also haven't eaten this before, so I don't know how good it is, but we'll see. Oh, I'm so tired. I do eat mostly vegan, or like at least like vegetarian, but I also occasionally eat fish, because it just kind of makes it a bit easier for me, and I'm okay with that. I feel like as soon as I move out and have my own place, that's when I want to go fully vegan again. But for right now, we're just pescatarian, and that's what's been working for me, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So let's go ahead and head into the kitchen, make some dinner. Okay, my dinner is done. I'm not sure the salmon's good. It looks kind of bad. But we'll see. I'm watching Justin Bieber's Seasons thing on YouTube right now. I'm just gonna eat this. Hopefully it's good. I feel like the veggies will be good. This is my first time making this. I have no idea. Basically what I did was I put a habanero pepper in there because I like my food spicy. And I also gave it like a taste. Let me taste the salmon. I taste like a little bit, and it does taste like it's been cooked. It's not raw. Next time I might season the salmon differently. If it tastes fine, it just doesn't look that great. So maybe I'll try something, I don't know. It does taste good though.
It's a once in a lifetime spot.
I already opened up my Fanta and I'm just enjoying it now. I love having this as a treat. It's not healthy. Has quite a lot of sugar, 7.6 grams. And oh wait, no, this, how much is this? Oh no, it has more. Yeah, well, child, it has 19 grams of sugar. But I don't know. This is just something that I enjoy a lot, and as long as I make sure that I just drink enough water, I'm like fine with having one of these sometimes, you know what I mean? Having like apple juice. You only live life once, and like I'm still young, and like, you know, it's fine. I'm just happy that I'm slowly getting into this just like healthier mindset with food, and just like not despising it so much. I do have to say that I don't necessarily enjoy eating still. Like my eating disorder completely messed it up, because when I was little I used to love food, and now like I can't really say that, you know. I love certain types of food, but eating in general, like I don't love it. Which might sound really weird, but that's something hopefully I can get over in the future. But I'm also not despising it anymore, so I'm happy about that, and I'm just gonna continue to try to, you know, build this relationship with food. And if you guys do enjoy this video, then I can try to do them more often, but also do the ones that are a bit less healthy and more realistic, because sometimes I don't make dinner and I just eat poffertjes, which is kind of like really small pancakes, but they're like Dutch, and I eat that for dinner, and it's like really filling, so I'll be like super full, and it's not like I'm not really eating, but it's just like a really unhealthy dinner. So let me know if you're interested in that, because I'm totally down to do that. Your girl got ready for bed, and I got myself a Granny Smith apple. Oh my god, I look crazy right now. Just as my last little snack. But I'm ending the video here. This is the last thing I'm eating today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. I can't see myself. Yeah, that's it. I'm really tired, so I'm tuning out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.